Hi everyone, thanks for joining me again. Today we're going to go through our VD01 DIY camera. So this is the big brother from our other DIY camera that we've done previously. We're going to go ahead and open the box. I'll show you what comes inside with it. So inside the box is a little cheat sheet for our Pro iCam app that will help get you all set up and running. You also have the unit itself. So these DIY cameras are very similar to the cameras in our other clocks and all those sort of devices. It's just stripped bare of a chassis, so it allows you to create your own chassis. Here we have our battery pack. We also have our micro USB to USB cable, a micro SD to USB adapter, a bit of PC software, and a slightly more in-depth guide on a couple of things you can do with the camera and how to get everything working. You can also find a lot of helpful tips on our Pro iCam app, which we'll link in the description below. That will get you help set up with the VD01 DIY camera.